And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from this week's Common Ground volunteer on how farmers continue to make sustainability a priority in their operations.
You can see that interview again on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page a little bit later. Right now, we are talking about supper plans. Ashley Babl is back with a way to spruce up the average spaghetti dinner. Nice to have you here and talking about this because we like to make spaghetti at our house, but after a while it gets a little boring.
True. Yeah, I guess so.
It's an affordable meal for the whole family, but you've got a new take on it.
Right, yeah. My kids could probably eat it at every meal as well. Yeah, so you start by heating your oven to 350 degrees, and while that's warming up, you can brown some hamburger, some garlic, onions, salt, and pepper, and mix those in a pan. And then while that is preparing, you can also boil your spaghetti just a few minutes shy of what they would say is done. And then in a small mixing bowl, you can take 8 ounces of cream cheese and 2 cups of mozzarella and make a nice layer of cheese there. And I personally add a little extra cheese. I don't think you could ever go wrong with that.
I agree. John's not a cheese person.
I am not a really big cheese fan, you know.
Which I don't understand, Ashley, at all.
Pizza,
right.
I can do it on pizza easily, but sometimes...
You just don't like a lot of goopy cheese. So you could just take away some cheese too, right?
You could. You could absolutely modify this any way that suits your family's taste and preferences. And once you get that cream cheese and mozzarella cheese layered down, then you spread that hamburger as well, and then you take the second half of the spaghetti and sauce mixture that you made for the base, spread that on top. Make a nice even layer there.
Layering, I see.
Yeah.
I was wondering how you're going to do that.
Yes. Yep. And then you finish that off with a cup of mozzarella, but like I said, I like to add a little extra.
Yeah, I'm with you there.
And then you can garnish the top with a little bit of parsley for color, and you're ready to entertain.
Great.
Looks good.
And how long do you bake it for?
For 30 minutes covered and then 10 minutes uncovered.
So it kind of browns on top.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, I want to give that a try here at the end of the show.
Good comfort food there.
Very good. And it is on our Facebook page already if you'd like to write that recipe down. So thank you, Ashley.
Thank you.